After learning the basic functions and their derivative functions, today we will see what do you mean by composite functions. So as you can see here, I have written function of a function. So the word composite means it is a combination of functions. So when I have one function as a function of some another variable, then we call it as function of a function. So just see how I have written here. Let's say variable y is a function u, is a function of variable u. In turn, variable u is a function g of x. So what is happening here is y is some function of u and u is some function g of x. So we can write y as f of g of x. Such type of function is called as composite function. Its derivative is given by this formula as dy by dx. So just see, I am differentiating first variable y with the third variable x. So when I want to calculate derivative of y with respect to x, the formula is dy by dx into du by dx. So here I will first find derivative of y with respect to u, and then I will find derivative of u with respect to x. Multiplying them will give me derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Let us consider some examples of finding derivative of a composite function. So very first example I have considered y is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x whole raised to 9. So as you can see, this is an algebraic expression and we have an index of that expression. So what we are going to do is, we will say let u is equal to this algebraic expression in the inner bracket. So let u is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x. Okay, now when I substitute u here, what is the value of y? We will get y as u raised to 9. So you can see I have just simplified the given expression. So this becomes y is equal to u raised to 9 or u to the power 9. Now when I use derivative dy by du, okay, now as y is with respect to variable u, okay, function of some variable u, so what do I get here? Dy by du. Now what is dy by du is u raised to 9, so applying x raised to n formula, so n down u raised to n minus 1, so I get 9 into u raised to 8. So dy by du is 9 into u raised to 8. Okay, so I'm just substituting the value of u from here. So I get dy by du as 9 into 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x raised to 8. Okay, now what we will do is, we will find the derivative of u with respect to x. So consider equation 1 and differentiate u with respect to x. Okay, so we will be getting du by dx as, just consider this term and start differentiating, constant as it is 5 into degree 3 into 3 raised x raised to 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus constant 4 into degree 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1, which is this 1, minus 8, because x raised to 1 is 0, x raised to 0. So we will be getting 15x square minus 8x minus 8. So what is the value of du by dx? 15x square minus 8x minus 8. Let's say this is equation 3. Now using composite function derivative formula, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. So from 2 and 3 we can simply write this as dy by du as 9 into 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x the whole raised to 8 into, this is our du by dx, that is 15x square minus 8x minus 8. You can write here from 2 and 3. So this is going to be our final answer. The composite function steps are lengthier and you have to be careful while finding the derivative at each step. Just in the last step you have to multiply these two. Okay. Now next example, I have considered it as trigonometric example, trigonometric function. So we have sine of x square plus x, sine of x square plus x. So let's see how we are going to do it. Therefore, first we will say let u is equal to x square plus x. Therefore, y is sine of u. Okay. So what is dy by du? Sine of u is cos u. I am resubstituting value of u here. So we get cos of x square plus x. Okay. So we will be keeping dy by du as it is and I am writing it as equation 2. Now consider equation 1 and differentiate it with respect to x. See, here we have differentiated y with respect to x, u. Now we will differentiate u with respect to x. So that is du by dx is 2x plus 1. Okay. So what we will do next step, as we have seen the formula, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. So consider dy by du from 2 and du by dx from 3. So we will be getting cos square x plus x into 2x plus 1. This will be our final answer. Here you can write from 2 and 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now let's see the next sum, which is y is equal to 1 upon cube root of cosec x plus cot x. So by looking at it, you may find it is very difficult, but just see how it becomes simple once we substitute. So we will say let u is equal to cosec x plus cot x. Therefore y becomes 1 upon cube root of u. Okay, here I have written u. So you know that is 1 upon u raised to minus 3, correct. So when I take the degree up, it becomes u raised to minus 1 upon 3. So y is actually u raised to minus 1 upon 3. So when I differentiate y with respect to u, I have taught negative index in the previous lecture. So keeping that n down into u raised to minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So minus 1 upon 3 into u raised to, if you solve this, you will get minus 4 by 3. So my final answer is going to be minus 1 upon 3 and u raised to 4 by 3, positive index form. Okay, so this is our dy by du, and if you want, you substitute here for u. So what is our u? From equation 1, this is minus 1 upon 3 into cosec x plus cot x raised to 4 by 3. This is our dy by du. Write it as equation 2. Now u is cosec x plus cot x. Now differentiating u with respect to x, I get cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Now for this you should learn all the basic formulae. Then only you can solve this composite function, implicit functions, that inverse functions, whatever lectures will be covering up later, you can see. Okay, cot x is minus cosec square x. So this is going to be minus sign if I keep it out. Cosec x also I can just take it out as a common. So this becomes cot x plus cosec x. So I have taken common terms out from the bracket. Okay, so this is our du by dx. Let's number it as equation 3. Therefore dy by dx is, since dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx. Okay, so our dy by du was there in the last page. We have dy by du as 1 upon minus 1 upon 3 into cosec x plus cot x raised to 4 by 3 into, that is from equation 2, this is our minus cosec x into cot x plus cosec x, and this is our final answer. Okay, our final answer is going to be, now this minus sign will become plus, so we have cosec x, okay, upon, now you can just see this term is in the numerator and this is same term in the denominator, that is cot x plus cosec x and this. So we can have this 3 constant as it is, and this becomes cosec x plus cot x raised to 1 upon 3. So that is going to be our final answer. Just solve this. This is degree 1, this is 4 by 3. So final degree of this is 1 upon 3. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Now consider the fourth one, which is y is equal to log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and we have to find dy by dx. Now this you can also do using u, that is assume this as u and solve, and then dy by dx as dy by du into du by dx, this composite function wala. But I will show you another way of doing it. So what we can do is dy by dx, I am directly just trying to differentiate. Now what is the, okay, I will just show you all the steps now. So d dx of log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so you know log of derivative is 1 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. But as this is algebraic expression, we will again differentiate that with respect to x. So we will be getting, keeping this term as it is, when we differentiate this algebraic expression, you will get 3 into 2x plus 2x का derivative is 2 and 1 derivative is 0. So we will be getting 6x plus 2 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and this is going to be our final answer. If you want, you can take 2 out from here. So 2 into 3x plus 1 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So as you can see here I have not assumed u, but this is also a composite function, logarithmic and algebraic. So this is another way of solving composite function. Okay. Our next example is log of e raised to 3x into x minus 4 upon x plus 3 raised to 2 by 3. So let's see how we are solving this. So I'm writing it as, therefore y is equal to, so first, before finding dy by dx, first in some numericals we need to find the value of y till its simplification gets done. Okay, so first we will simplify and then we will differentiate. Okay, so y is equal to, I will just take out this exponent and algebraic expression out. So this becomes log of e raised to 3x plus, because there is a multiplication, so we get log of x minus 4 upon x plus 3 whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, so now see, log of e raised to 3x, so log and exponential will cancel each other and we remain with 3x. So therefore y is 3x plus log of, now this exponent can be taken down, 2 by 3 into log of x minus 4 upon x plus 3. So y is, so just see, I have not still yet differentiated anything, I have not started differentiation. This is just simplification. Some numericals need simplification steps. Okay, so this becomes 3x, here index come down, log of this, further we have to solve. This is log of, see, log of a by b is log a minus log b. So we will do it like this way, minus log of x plus 3. Okay, and now we will differentiate this particular example. So therefore dy by dx is 3, x का differentiation is 3 plus constant out into log of x minus 4 is 1 upon x minus 4, okay, minus 1 upon x plus 3. That's it. Now just see here, x degree is 1, so there is no further differentiation. This is the final answer. Okay. If you want, you can just solve this. So that is 3 plus 2 by 3. Now what I will do is, I will just take LCM of this. So this x plus 3 comes here, x minus 4, and then x minus 4 into x plus 3. So just go on solving. X plus 3 minus x plus 4 upon, if I just expand this, then this become x square minus x minus 12, but you can keep it as it is. So this becomes x gets cancelled, 7 upon x minus 4 into x plus 3. So this is 3 plus 7 to the 14 upon 3 into x minus 4. So just see how we have solved this. So final answer is